Hello everyone, I am Mithuna Shreyas from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Here in this video we are going to know about corrosion, types of corrosion, causes of corrosion, effects and preventive methods and a case study. Corrosion. What is corrosion? Corrosion is the process of deterioration of materials, usually metals, due to chemical reactions with their environment. It occurs when metals are exposed to moisture, gases, or other corrosive substances. Corrosion can lead to structural damage, reduced functionality, and decreased lifespan of materials. Corrosion specially refers to any process involving the deterioration or degradation of the metal components. The best known case is that of rusting of steel or iron. Corrosion processes are usually electrochemical in nature. When metals atoms are exposed to environment containing water molecules, they can give up electrons, becoming themselves positively charged ions, provided an electrical circuit can be completed. Types of corrosion. There are many types of corrosion, which some of them include uniform corrosion, galvanic corrosion, pitting corrosion. Uniform corrosion. When the entire surface of metal corrodes uniformly, it is called as uniform corrosion. Galvanic corrosion, which results from the electrochemical interaction between two dissimilar metals in the presence of an electrolyte, as we see in the image. Pitting corrosion, characterized by the formation of small pits or holes on the metal surfaces, which involves the settling of dust particles on the metal surface and lead to corrosion. Causes of corrosion. There are many factors which influence the cause of corrosion, in which some of them include moisture, oxygen, acids, and salts. Moisture. Water or humidity can initiate corrosion by providing an electrolyte necessary for electrochemical reactions. Oxygen, the presence of oxygen in the atmosphere, accelerates the corrosion process. Acids and salts. Corrosive substances like acids and salts can directly attack the deteriorate metals. Effects of corrosion. Structural integrity, loss of functionality, safety risks are some effects of corrosion. Corrosion weakens metals comprising the structural integrity of buildings, bridges, and pipelines. Loss of functionality. Corroded parts may malfunction, leading to equipment failure and reduced performance. Safety risks. Corrosion can create unsafe conditions, especially in critical applications like transportation and infrastructure. Also, there are many other effects of corrosion which are not included in this. Prevention of corrosions. There are many methods to prevent corrosion. So, some of them are included in this. The first one is material section. Choosing corrosion resistant materials like stainless steel or aluminium for the construction and manufacturing. Utilizing protective coatings such as paints or polymer coating to act as barrier between the metals and corrosive substances, and using sacrificial anodes or cathodic protection systems to divert corrosion away from the protected materials. Next method is by environmental control, controlling the moisture by using dehumidifiers or human ventilation systems. Avoiding exposure to corrosive substances by implementing proper storage and handling procedures, and also by maintaining cleanliness and dryness of the surfaces to prevent the accumulation of corrosive agents. The next method is by design considerations. Design Designing structures with proper drainage systems to prevent water accumulation, minimizing contact between the dissimilar metals to reduce the possibility of the galvanic corrosion, and by incorporating corrosion resistant designs features such as protective coatings and drainage channels. The next method is by maintenance practices. Regular inspections to identify and address early signs of corrosion can prevent corrosion, promptly repairing any damage or defects in the protective coatings on the surfaces. Implementing the routine cleaning and the maintenance procedures to reduce corrosive agents and prevent their accumulation. The next method is by cathodic protection. Cathodic protection is an electrochemical technique used to prevent corrosion by making the protected metal of the cathode of an electrochemical cell. Sacrificial anode, usually made up of more active metals, are connected to the metal to be protected to attract corrosion and protect the structure, as we see in the image. Impressed current systems can also be used to provide a controlled flow of electrical current to protect the metal from corrosion. So, case study, it is the corrosion in oil and gas industry. Corrosion in pipelines can lead to leaks, environmental damage, and safety hazards. Preventive measures include the use of corrosion resistant materials, coatings, and cathodic protection, as the pipelines of the gas and oil industry are mostly corroded earlier. Regular monitoring and maintenance programs are essential to ensure the integrity of the infrastructure. So, we are here to conclude about this topic. Corrosion is the significant challenge affecting various industries and infrastructure. Understanding the types, causes, and the effects of the corrosion is crucial for implementing effective prevention strategies. By selecting appropriate materials, controlling the environment, considering the design factors, and implementing the proper maintenance practices, corrosion can be mitigated and determined effects minimized. So, thank you for watching the video. Please do like the